This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Mono's lock. When you first receive your Mono's luggage, the combination lock is typically set to the default code of 000. To open it for the very first time, simply ensure all three dials are aligned to show 000. Then, either slide the designated release button or press the clasp, and your luggage will open, ready for its new combination. Now, to begin setting your personal combination, you'll need to engage the lock's reset function. Look for a tiny reset button, usually located on the side or back of the lock mechanism. Take a pen or a similar pointed tool and press this button down firmly. You should hear a clear click, indicating that the button is now held in the depressed position, ready for the next step. With the reset button still pressed down, it's time to choose your new, personalized combination. Carefully turn each of the three-number dials to select your desired three-digit code. Pick a number that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Make sure that each digit is precisely aligned in the center of its display window before proceeding. To finalize your new combination, locate the main slider button, often marked with an arrow. Push this slider button in the direction indicated. You will hear another click as the small reset button pops back into its original position. Your new combination is now securely set. Scramble the dials, then enter your new code to test it and ensure your belongings are protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.